stop before you're spending your hard-earned money in the wrong processor. Let me take you to the conundrum of choosing the right AMD processor. So, there's a big conundrum in the naming of AMD processor. Like 5700X does not have integrated graphics, while 9950 has integrated graphics. Then again, 5500 does not have integrated graphics, but 7700 has a good integrated graphics. Like you do not need a dedicated GPU to run the PC. So, let's solve this conundrum together. Stick around till the end of the video to know whether you need a dedicated GPU or not to run your PC with the table I have curated specially for you guys. Did you know choosing between AMD's different series like G, F, X and X3D series can make or break your PC build? Within just 5 minutes, you can be confused buyer to confident buyer while building your new PC. So let's dive in. What's up, tech enthusiast? Welcome to the channel. So here what it means by Ryzen 7 7700X. Ryzen 7 stands for performance tier and 7700 stands for series like 7000 series and X stands for series suffix. This is where the magic happens. Whether you need a dedicated GPU or it has integrated graphics or how much core it will have or how much powerful it will be, it just depends on this little suffix. This suffix is everything. It determines your CPU's personality, power, and price. Let's break down each series. Let's start with G series. G series usually have integrated graphics in it. You don't need a dedicated graphics card to run the PC with G series processor. So G series processor gives you extra boost without the dedicated GPU. And AMD is killing it with their G series processor like 5600G. This whole lineup was a breakthrough for AMD. It was possible for AMD to get a bigger chunk of the market with this entry-level processor with dedicated GPU, which Intel still cannot provide. This G series CPU can actually handle good 1080p gaming like CS2 and League of Legends with lower settings. Who should buy the G series processor? If you are a student or casual gamer or office worker who is tight on this budget, then you should definitely go for G series processor. These are incredible value for money. Now let's talk about X series. So what's good about X series processor? X series can give 15 to 20% performance boost than their non-X counterpart. That's 60 FPS to 100 FPS we are talking in the game. In the earlier series of AMD's CPU lineup, X CPU did not come with the integrated graphics. But in the recent series, X series comes with the integrated graphics. Then how can you know which does not come with integrated? By only looking at their names. So if you find F in the recent series like 7500F, 7400F, 8400F, this does not have integrated graphics. So F prefix means that it does not have integrated graphics in the recent series. But in the previous series like 500 series, they did not have any F processor. They had 5600X, 5700X, and 5600X and 5700X did not have any integrated graphics. So at that time, we thought that X processor does not have integrated graphics in case of AMD. But they have changed their naming. So now if you see F in the processor naming, then it does not have integrated graphics anymore. But if it has X in the newer series like 7000 series or 9000 series, then it has integrated graphics. If you have dedicated GPU to support your PC, then these F series are bang for the bucks. In my opinion, X and F series are perfect for streamers, content creators, and serious level gamers. And now the crown jewel, AMD's X3D processor. In every lineup of the AMD processor, X3D is the beast. It's like a god in the CPU market. Say it 5700 X3D, 7800 X3D, now 9950 X3D. So every X3D processor has beaten all of their counterparts with their 3D V-test technology. It's literally a beast. If you are not in a heavy gaming, heavy content creation, or heavy data mining, or such heavy tasks which need more cores and more threads, then you might not need a X3D processor. And higher performance comes with higher price also. X3D processor is made for CPU intensive game and CPU intensive tasks like 3D rendering, video rendering, etc. So, which one should you buy? If you are a gamer, if you have a dedicated GPU, I would really suggest you to go for F series or X series processor. Then, if you are a heavy gamer, heavy content creator, or if you're really into data mining or such CPU intensive tasks, then you really need to choose the X series. This is the beast. Remember, the best CPU is the one that fits your need and budget. Don't overspend on CPU or features that you don't even need. So let me know which processor you will choose from the AMD and which processor are you currently using. And I'm gonna give you a curated table specially for you just so you can understand which processor is for you. Smash that like button if it helped you and subscribe for more budget friendly content, and I will see you in the next video.